Today's Midday Kentucky cooking segment brought to you by Creative Kitchen and Bath, where you will always cook in style.
Welcome back to Midday Kentucky, everyone. Over here with Chef Allison Davis at Wild Time Kitchens. How are we, my darling?
Well, I'm great.
That's good to hear.
Oh, my favorite time of year.
Starting to smell a lot like Christmas.
You know, it's just my favorite time of year when you talk about cooking, appetizers, parties, entertaining. And so that was something I wanted to do today, was just something simple, easy, and basically...
This is getting hot.
Basically, it is just a simple mushroom puff appetizer. Oh. So, here we go.
Oh, you know I'm not good with all this stuff.
Okay, babe. Right. We are going to saute up some mushrooms. We are making what I call like a little mushroom puff. And this is
a mushroom what?
Puff.
A mushroom.
Mushroom puff. Puff. And we're using our crescent roll dough, and we're going to make just like a little filling, like little pinwheels that we're going to cut. And so right now I'm just working on the filling, and then we'll show you how we're going to roll that up. So we have some mushrooms. I want to like saute the mushrooms. I'm going to saute some green onions in there with it. And that is going to help release the water that's in the mushrooms, because you don't want to put them in raw and then them cook, because then they'll, look at them. This is going to go in the bowl.
Oh, I thought that was in here.
No, if we put it in there hot, it's just going to melt.
Is that a cheese that I need to taste?
It isn't, it is. It's my favorite cheese on the planet, I think. It's smoked Gouda.
Oh, well, just let me see if it's smoked enough.
So we're going to add some smoked Gouda in our bowl here.
That's enough.
With a combination of goat cheese and a little bit of sour cream. So a little bit, meaning like a tablespoon, just to kind of like help thin it out and stretch it. Doesn't that smell good?
No, I was saying that.
Oh, the cheese. I love this cheese because, again, it adds some depth with the goat cheese as well, because it's smoky and just rich. So about a half a cup. All right. I can't do anything without a little kick, right?
I actually like this idea for the little kick in this.
All right,
I wouldn't
so
have
I'm
thought.
putting a little touch of, and this is my touch, sambal leek, which is my favorite.
Looks like a bit.
It's a little red chili paste. If you don't have this at home, you could go with just a sprinkling of just dried red pepper flakes. All right, I've got a little bit of rosemary.
Hey, do you want me to pop this and start?
Yes, that would be perfect. So we're going to roll it out as one sheet on our board.
Just one sheet?
Just one sheet. Yeah, so just roll it out flat, and you'll see what I mean. And while he's doing that, having fun opening up the
I did it so
container.
easily before. Here we are.
Okay.
See, I had one ready. This is my,
Just hit it.
Oh.
Tricks of the trade. All right, so then we're going to take that, and then you'll see like where there is a spot that is cut. Exactly.
Oh, well, and so much for me doing it.
All right, well, I just wanted to make sure you're good. Now, go. I'll leave you alone. While he's doing that, I'm just chopping up a little bit of rosemary to go in our filling. Again, because I'm thinking of this time of year and the weather, and with the mushrooms, I just feel like rosemary is the perfect herb to kind of match that flavor. Perfect. Just leave it alone. You're good. You're good. I see.
Well, you put it in the wrong area.
That's okay.
I would have had it more even, but no.
Of course I did.
And now I can't move it because
So now
it's
you've
stretching.
got your hot filling here, or we've got the water. See how the water's kind of cooked out of those mushrooms?
I love it.
All right, we're going to go into our bowl.
Yep.
It's going to help melt up our cheese just a little bit and soften our filling.
Yep.
I'm going to add a touch of salt and pepper to this.
Oh, I'm so excited
just
about
smell
this.
this.
Oh, don't worry. I can smell it and I can know what's coming on for lunch.
Oh, it's so good.
Hey, sweetie, are you going to put just one roll?
Yes.
Oh.
So we're going to spread this filling on top of here, and then we're going to roll it and then cut it.
Oh, look at you getting a bit like Jason, our famous
I'm being
chef.
a little Martha Stewart today. Yes.
I thought we were going to do individual ones.
No. We're just
I knew how to do
one
that.
big log, like a jelly roll log, and then we'll cut them, and the filling will be in it like a little pinwheel. Then these will bake about 425, I think, for maybe like 10 to 12 minutes at the most. Just really until the puff pastry or the crescent roll dough gets nice golden brown. Use your muscle there.
Yeah.
And that's it. Yeah, this would be so great for the holidays. This would be a great Thanksgiving appetizer. You know, just really quick, simple, and savory, and I'm telling you.
I love that idea.
Yeah. And yeah, that's
Now
it.
just
I
put
mean,
it on
I'm just
here?
so excited about
Just
this
put
recipe.
this here?
Yeah, put it there and we'll spread it on.
Oops.
You guys know where you can find this recipe. This is at WTVQ.com/recipes tab.
Midday Kentucky or Chef Allison Davis on Instagram. We'll be back after this short break.